Press the C button at any time to check what the alarm setting is. In this case, it's 7:15 a.m. This is the alarm window. If the background of the word alarm is silver, that means the alarm is off. When the alarm is on, the background of the word alarm is black. To turn the alarm on and off, you press the C button and the D button simultaneously. There it's silver, there it's black. To set the alarm, you press the B button twice. Go through the stopwatch screen to the alarm screen. You'll notice that you're in the alarm screen when the mode circle has no pedals in it and is not blinking. You'll notice that the hour blinks first. We're going to set the alarm for 7:10 a.m. Right now it's set at 10:26 p.m. So you press the D button to take it into the a.m. to 7. You press the C button to accept. The minutes blink, and we want to change this to 7:15. So we're going to have to go. It only moves forward, so we're going to press the D button and hold until it goes all the way around to 7:15. And now the alarm is set. You then press the button through the time change screen back to the main screen. If we want the alarm on, we can turn it off if we wanted to by pressing the C and the D button simultaneously, but we want the alarm on. We're in the main screen. When the digital time reaches 7:15:00, the alarm will go off. 55, 57. You turn off the alarm by pressing the D button once. The D button doesn't change the fact that the alarm is still on. If you want to turn the alarm off, C button and the D button simultaneously. So that's how the alarm works. I hope this is helpful. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And when you do, give me a thumbs up. And press the bell next to the subscribe button and you'll get my future videos. Thanks for watching.